you. It's that perfume that you wear and the way you do your hair that I love so much. And it's the simple things you say and how in bed we play. It's the way you kiss my cheek when you think that I'm asleep. I love it so much. I love you, words I never say. Friends make fun, but I tell you every day. Anyway, lately you've been getting me home safely. Wake up, love the coffee that you make me. Ask me how my night was, I like us. It's so easy and we don't ever fight, cause you don't blow up my phone when you're home alone, assuming that I'm doing what a guy does. Trust with just the right amount of lust. Even loved by my family, that's a must. And fun, everything we do, me and you. My song comes on and you dance and sing too, with the windows down like G's. We don't care who's around or who sees. And everyone is jealous of my ride because you're sitting in the passenger side. The things you do, I just can't get enough of you. It's that perfume that you wear and the way you do your hair that I love so much. And it's the simple things you say and how in bed we play.
Sounds like an old friend, takes you right back to the kitchen. You can almost smell the cake that your grandma made on your birthday.
Have you ever laid on your back under a poplar tree, thinking about all your memories, looking at the sky, wondering why this feels like home?
Like a Tennessee river in the morning takes your breath without a warning.
Feels like home.
Like smoke rising up from the mountains, all the beauty surrounds.
Feels like home.
Like Elvis and Dolly singing a melody that's bringing you
home.
Cause it feels like home.
Feels like home. Feels like